Hey guys, this is Emily, and I think two dogs want to say hi. This happens every day. Hey, look! Hi guys! They're fighting. They don't want to be in my video because they're fighting. And we lost Taz 4 days. We lost Taz 4 days ago, and it hurt. It still hurts. Man, the day after I lost Taz, man, I couldn't film nothing the day after I lost Taz. I was a mess. You guys wouldn't want to see. I know you guys wouldn't want to see me a mess. I was a mess the day after you lost Taz. And this little girl over here, the one in the red collar is new. She's gonna be in some of my videos too. And y'all know now. Dog loves cameras. Look. That dog. There's Nala. That's Tammy. She's a pit. She's half pit and half bird dog. We don't think she has bird dog in her. She's a pit, and she's not gonna get too big. Dog loves videos. I'm sorry, but the dog loves. And man, Taz. Let's say about that dog. He's in the. I know he's safe, but I just miss him so much. He's in a beautiful place called heaven, and I know I'll be reunited with him, but it still gets to me about how much that dog changed my life. You guys remember Gizmo and Zoe? Those dogs changed my life too. See, look. Tammy's gonna up doing good things. And Morocco's gonna show you what cage he died in. This is the cage that they took him to the vet in. His name was Taz, and he died of parvo. I haven't filmed. The last video I filmed was a reaction video to the final episode of Vampire Diaries. You can look at that. That's the last video I ever filmed. And that was 2 weeks before we lost Taz. Okay, dog wants to say goodbye. Taz's gonna be a short 3-minute video. Say bye! Say bye, Nala. Say bye, Tammy. See you tomorrow. Bye.